Hello students, this is 12th standard chemistry. Now we are going to discuss about the phenol related important naming reactions. First one, Kolb's reaction or Kolb segment reaction. So the note is nothing but what are all the catalysts are required for this reaction. So the main important and agenda for this equation is we are going to convert the phenol to orthohydroxy benzoic acid. Otherwise we can call it as salicylic acid. Okay, so here between these two functional groups, COOH is the main functional group. So benzene containing acid is called benzoic acid. We have the ortho position hydroxy, so it is nothing but orthohydroxy benzoic acid. First phenol react with NaOH, the hydrogen from this part and OH from this part, it is removed, it is converted to benzene and ONA. Second catalyst, CO2 400 Kelvin 4 to 7 bar pressure. When we are applying, you will get this product. That means this COO is connected with this Na, it connected with this carbon. Appo bond COO Na. Inga or hydrogen irukkum, that will shift it up. So you got this product. But for this step, we have the separate mechanism that we will discuss in the next lesson. After this one, when we are doing hydrolysis, here H plus will attach. So the Na is removed as a NaOH, so it is converted to orthohydroxy benzoic acid. This catalyst is very important. Next one is a Reamer-Tamer reaction. Here also the main important part is we are going to substitute the aldehyde in the ortho position. Ortho means these positions are called ortho position. Here the intermediate will form, that is benzyl chloride intermediate. Benzyl chloride intermediate is formed during the reaction. So first one, phenol react with the chloroform and aqueous NaOH, it forms a benzyl chloride intermediate. When it reacts with the NaOH, the ortho position, that is CHCl2, is converted to CHO. When you are doing acid hydrolysis, it is converted to salicyl aldehyde. This is another name of this compound is salicylic acid. Salicylic acid. And what about this one? It is a salicylic acid. Another name for this compound is a orthohydroxy benzaldehyde. This is orthohydroxy benzoic acid. Okay, so this is the next question, Thalin reaction. So the main important for this reaction is preparation of phenolphthalein. So we know very well the phenolphthalein is a useful indicator to identify the neutralization reaction endpoint. So here, so put the benzene ring, here C double bond O and O, here also C double bond O and O. So this chemical name is phthalic anhydride. The name of the chemical is phthalic anhydride. So when it reacts with the phenol, so write the phenol in the ulta manner. So benzene and OH and benzene and OH. So write the phenol in the ulta manner and mention the two hydrogen atom from here. So here one hydrogen, here one hydrogen. So catalyst is concentrated sulfuric acid. In the books they are given in the very short manner, we can't able to understand. So follow this structure and then remove the water content from here. So the double bond, it exists between the carbon and oxygen. Now it going to connect with one with this phenol, another with this phenol. So benzene, C double bond O and O, C and OH and OH. So this is the phenolphthalein indicator formula. So the name of the reaction is Thalin reaction or Thallic fusion test. So another reaction is also very important, that is dye test or coupling reaction. So this test is useful to identify test for phenol. Test for phenol you will do in your practical also. So here benzene This is benzene diazonium chloride. Benzene diazonium chloride. Again phenol, when it reacts with phenol in the ultra manner. So the temperature is very important. Catalyst is sodium hydroxide at 273 to 278 Kelvin. So you are going to do only one cleavage, that is HCl part is removed. So other things are not same. Benzene diazonium, that's all. So this is a red orange dye. This is a red orange dye. So what is the name this one? This one is a para position. Okay, this one is a para position. So para hydroxy. This one is a azo group. Azo. This one is a benzene. So this 4 reaction is very important reaction for your 12th standard chemistry. Okay, thank you.